Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and add your Linktree account link to your TikTok bio. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, I'm just gonna go ahead and copy the official website right here as an example, and I will go ahead and open up my TikTok. Now, inside TikTok, you want to go ahead and navigate through the section that we have right here. You have your home, friends, the plus icon, inbox, and your profile. You can just go ahead and click on your profile, and inside your profile right here, you have the option to edit your profile, share your profile, and add your friends. Now, you could just go ahead and click on edit profile, and inside, you will then have the business information right here. Now take note, you need to go ahead and switch your personal account to a business account in order to do this method right here. And inside the website, you could just go ahead and paste your Earth3 link. Now to go ahead and switch your account to a business account, you have to go ahead and open up your TikTok right here. Go ahead and click on the tree icon or the three lines that we have, and inside you want to go ahead and navigate through the settings and privacy. Inside settings and privacy, go ahead and click on account, and you want to go ahead and switch to your business account right here. Now, if I go ahead and switch to my personal account right here, I could not go ahead and leave my link at my bio. So if I go ahead and click on edit profile, there are no website available that I could go ahead and leave my link in. I only have my Instagram right here, YouTube, and Twitter, which isn't gonna work if I leave my Linktree right here. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.